So let's have a look at what this all means when we put it all together. We learned about the half steps and the whole steps, and we learned about the notes on the piano. Check out this image. So what you see here are the notes on the piano with the white keys labeled. And I want you to notice something that's weird. Notice that sometimes there are two white keys that don't have a black key in between them. That happens between the notes E and F, and also between the notes B and C. So what we have there are what are called natural half steps. When notes are not sharp or flat, those are called natural notes. So the notes, for instance, E and F are natural notes, and the notes B and C are natural notes. So between E and F, there is a half step, a natural half step. In other words, we get a half step without having to employ a sharp note or a flat note. And between B and C, we have the same thing. We have a natural half step. We don't need to employ a sharp or a flat to get a half step between those two notes. It's a little weird. So sometimes natural notes are a whole step apart, and you can see that that's most of the time. But occasionally natural notes are a half step apart, and that's between B and C and E and F. If you can remember that, that will help a great deal in terms of naming notes on the piano, understanding how half steps work more generally, and finding notes on other instruments. We're actually going to take this next time and employ this to fretted instruments. So if you play the guitar, the ukulele, the electric bass, any of those, we're going to see how this all lines up on a fretted instrument like that. So see you next time.